what's up, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys are new here, hi, this is Reushi and welcome to my channel. So before starting this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to hit the cute little bell button ताकि जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो डालूं आपके पास तुरंत नोटिफिकेशन पहुंचे. Anyways, like if you are watching me for a very long time, you must be know that I cut my hair इतना तक and finally guys, I am growing my hair again and like ये अभी तो ब्रेस्ट के थोड़ा सा नीचे जा रहा है and I am so happy for that and I can like flaunt my hair and honestly like recently बहुत सारा occasion था मेरे घर पे, so like I actually could do all the hairstyle which I wanted to do before, but for like very short hair I couldn't do that, but finally I am doing all the things like which I want to do. And trust me, this is only one product which is helping me a lot throughout like few weeks now and I'm so happy for that. And I want to give you like a little close up that I don't have any split ends right now. I mean what, मैंने hair cut ही किया था just because of split ends, but let me just give you like a little zoom. Okay, so I hope you can see that I don't have any split ends, like no split ends, and it is looking so soft. And do you want to know what is the secret behind this hassle-free hair care routine, which is only this one? This is L'Oreal Paris Dream Length No Haircut Cream, and it's not just only the coolest revolution in hair care, but also this is the first cream which actually regenerate the hair internally and peel the split ends and giving way to the long hair. I just want to show you a before after picture of my hair. So this is the before and this is my after picture, so you can clearly see the difference, how drastically my hair changed from before to after. And trust me, this product has been the game changer product for my hair, and this is the only product which actually helps me to grow my hair back, because we have a myth now that we need to trim our hair 2 to 3 months later ताकि hair बहुत ज़्यादा grow, like it actually helps us to grow our hair faster, but trust me, it's just a myth. So this product actually helps me to break that myth, and this product also helps me to give the assurance that you don't need to cut your hair baby, just grow your hair and flaunt your hair hassle free तरीके से. You don't need to do like detangling thing and all that, क्योंकि अगर आपके hair बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो तो there is a chance कि आप बहुत सारा tangling हो जाता है, and that's why to avoid that many people cut their hair very short, but honey, this product helps that a lot. Like detangling में जितना ये help करता है, which I have faced, like because my hair is growing, so नीचे से थोड़ा सा like detangling का problem होता है, but this product helps me to do detangling like in just a second. Okay, it makes your hair so soft. And not only this baby, there is more to know. So these products also help you to give the protection from heating tools. जो हीटिंग टूल्स हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपने हेयर पे, लाइक ब्लो ड्रायर एंड स्ट्रेटनर एंड लाइक बहुत सारा हीटिंग टूल्स होता है. सो उसमें से भी आपको ये प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, बिकॉज दिस विल प्रोटेक्ट योर हेयर फ्रॉम हीट. वॉश योर हेयर विथ रिस्टोरिंग शैम्पू एंड डिटैंगलिंग कंडीशनर with the no haircut cream for best result. This cream has 3 powerful ingredients: vegetable keratin, which helps to protect your hair from harsh treatment; castor oil helps to grow your hair faster; and essential vitamins helps to give the strength to your hair. And also this cream protect your hair up to 180 degrees centigrade from heating tools. And also this product is sulfate and paraffin free. Product is genuinely is the solution to grow your hair faster, and it will show instant result for your split ends, like it will seal the split ends immediately. And if you use the whole range, which is shampoo, conditioner and cream, so there is the like cherry on the top kind of a thing, because you don't need to do all the boring home remedies which we usually do for our hair, and also you don't need to cut our hair every after like 3 months. Also this product is 499 rupees for 200 ml, and all the product link with this shampoo, conditioner and this mask with the range, all the links will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it, and also don't forget to buy it or the whole range, whatever you want. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you have loved this and find something useful, and trust me, this is my personal opinion. I have told you everything which I love, and मैंने इसके बारे में पहले भी आपको बोला है, which I think you clearly remember. So yeah, hopefully this video will help you a lot. So see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay safe. Bye bye.